Hello, so this is me trying to trade Asia session, and I already took a trade. This trade was on the Thursday, I believe. Yeah, I think it was on the Thursday. And yeah, there was no news. There is no news for this week. However, for Euro USD, we have some news on Monday tomorrow, and I don't think it's going to be relevant. So we'll get into the USD JPY trade, which I traded in the Asian session. I didn't physically take this trade, but it was more of a back test out my strategy, and practice the strategy. But yeah, overall on the weekly, if we have a quick look, my initial bias was bullish because we have this low here, then we have a higher low, and I'm expecting us to create a higher low here, and we have a high and a higher high. So there's no reason for us to not continue the uptrend unless we want to change trend and go down. But yeah, on the weekly, we were bullish. On the daily, we were also bullish. We had that low here, and then I'm expecting a higher low here, and for us to rally up. It's looking a bit similar to what happened here if we look at the price action currently here. And on the 4 hour, we were bearish, but lining up with the daily bias, I did want to take a long. And if we go down to the 15 minutes, that's a long here, we were coming down into this order block just here. So we had a nice order block here. I think I'm having it marked here. This was a fair value gap on the daily or the 4 hourly. Let's have a look. Yeah, it was a daily fair value gap. We didn't get that low. However, we got the order block that I was talking about. Oh, it's done this again. There you go. Got the order block that I was talking about, and then we had this liquidity here, which was quite significant to me. We swept that, and right after we swept, I started looking to get into a position. So if we look just here, we swept that liquidity. If we go down on the 1 minute, let's have a look. So the liquidity, we then came back into this fair value gap just here, and we held quite well. There we go, held perfectly, 2 candles held, and then I got in on the break of structure. I got in on this candle. It was a bit premature, as then we closed above 3 candles later. However, the trade did go in my direction, and this would have made us $400, and I was risking 150. So yeah, it was a very easy trade overall, and I'm going to be backtesting on Asian session tonight as well as trading tomorrow. We'll see how tomorrow plays out because we did have high impact news. But yeah, if I do get anything, I will update you guys. And yeah, thank you for watching.